Welcome, today I'm reviewing XIAOMI 12T Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open our box first. And here we can find the USB Type-C cable. The second thing is the original charger brick, the XIAOMI charger brick with all of the specs. And let's open this paper box. This is the SIM eject tool and some paperwork, the quick start guide, the safety guide and the warranty card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.